eba no oba ne oba na bema ne bema ena ene wo mo aware ne ho nsemo agye ne ho mena wo Ghana ha pa ema emrase bedwafie be no wo magye to na sese no semtreni ba ko sanso emranim ni atebra sam no da kodan Supreme Court a ena court asase etenase na Chief Justice amakwan esese de aseni ne bekonyina no wo mo entwa bia na se yentwa bi to kasafidia wodo so na wanso ehwebi
ko asetna na nsama wokobo ebu ho ye asama owura Dalaska Miche Richard otukoto Supreme Court won enyim ofan anti-gay bill na parliament wo passe na woze komo mampani na akufo de there onfanesa onfanshase no be ye nsem bebre na nde wofre asem no mo wumi de Supreme Court wontuma anhye da port ya obesan afre asem no yentieza Dalaska ne lawyers no woze tugwa bra ye wie no.
And the second was to amend our motion for interlocutory injunction. If you watch the court carefully, they virtually granted those two applications. So the directive to file or refile the entire process was virtually a repeat of those granting orders. And it was nothing untoward so far as we are concerned. So to us, it was in our favor.
Attorney General Godfrey Yabu Adam is to go there.
The general public, that when rulings are given by the court, they're actually on account of principles of law, and indeed most of the rulings of the court are right. I have suffered a lot personally in terms of the misrepresentation of court rulings and deliberate misrepresentation of what I say in court and what I do and all that. So I thought that the best way to avoid any undue misrepresentation of facts is to ensure transparency. Let the public indeed have unhindered access to it. Proceedings to the court, of course, in terms of the Constitution and the Court Acts, are open to the public. But the public goes way beyond the number who can enter the courtroom. So I think that a proper interpretation of the Constitution and all that would really require that when some of these politically sensitive matters and matters of enormous public interest come up for hearing, indeed, the media ought to have full access. It doesn't have to be only the presidential election petition.
The city says, in some Ebiana was the Benny, and went to some Nina, Ashada, Ubianco, Nunco says, some non famra. Now, that what's ya, Obasanza, Frasaminizi, on Yaza Court, or the Tuga. Chief Justice get to Tokunu, na, Otina Goma, Nipa Banan Kano, was it the Masabi. Kojo Mensa, Abrampa, Namanzabo.